welcome back. We're completing our 3-part series on how to message Irwin Army Community Hospital Pharmacy in regards to prescriptions. My name is Shannon. I'm an RN in primary care at Irwin Army Community Hospital. So this video is going to focus on how do you send a message to your provider team when you know or when pharmacy has notified you that you have 0 refills remaining on a medication that you've been on for a length of time. So an example would be if you're on the allergy medicine Zyrtec and maybe you've been on it for years and years, but you are now at a 0 balance for refills. How do you get more refills sent over to pharmacy? And the term that commonly is used with this is a renewal. So we are renewing your prescription for you to get more refills on your prescription over at the pharmacy. So again, you're going to be on your main dashboard page, which is what we're looking at here on the phone. And again, just a reminder, depending on if you're accessing this on your phone or your computer, what you see on your screen may be different than what I'm showing you. But this should be what you see when you're on your phone. So again, the first thing to do after the 4 blue bars is to pick which patient you are communicating about if you have that option. And then you're going to hit that second blue bar, which is Message My Provider. You're going to wait for that to come up, and we're now in our inbox on the phone. You'll see that blue button that says Send a Message, and that's what we want to click on. The top of your page now says New Message, and you're going to send this message on behalf of, and please pick the correct patient if you have more than one patient assigned on your profile. The next thing you're going to do is the To button, and that's going to give you the request to please enter 2 or more characters. So I will tell you the shortcut on this would really just be to enter the last name of the provider that is your ordering provider. So in this example, we're going to pick provider Rickenbach. And that you see that I just typed in the last name Rickenbach, and that brought up Fort Riley space IAC Family Medicine Team 4 _ Rickenbach, Bonnie, NP. So if you wanted to search it, you would have to type in Fort Riley space IAC, and then you would be able to select that provider. It really is a very quick shortcut if you just type in that provider's last name, and that should populate for you correctly. The next field you're going to go to is Subject. And what I would type in here is renew my medication, renew my prescription, renew Zyrtec, however you would like to word that. The final field that you have on here is the message field. That's the opportunity for free text. You can type in whatever you would like. So I'm just going to type, I need to get a renewal of my Zyrtec. And one thing that's nice to put in these free text box is just to talk about like how often you take it. So I take this once a day, and it works well for me. A third thing that you can put in there that's very helpful for your provider team is just to mention if you have any concerns or side effects to this medication. So no side effects noted. The last thing that you could add if you would like would be your phone number, but do know that the preferred method that your provider team is going to communicate back with you is going to be through Patient Portal. You're now ready to send your message. You will simply hit Send. Please know this does not mean your medication is already ready for you at the pharmacy. This means you have sent it to your provider team. They will message you back once they have disposition on this and they have feedback for you. So you should expect to get a message back from them saying, your nurse practitioner Rickenbach has reviewed your request. She has given you a refill or a renewal of your Zyrtec and 3 refills. And you can now message the Fort Riley Irwin Army Community Hospital Pharmacy about getting that prescription activated.